The key thing of winning the Dakar is a lot of luck. But luck is just when preparation meets opportunity. We've put in a lot of preparation this year, and if the opportunity arises, I'm really going to grasp it and try to go for that win.
Experience is really important for Dakar, so yeah, you never stop learning in Dakar, but now I feel that I have all the ingredients to do well and try to fight for the front.
To have a brand that's so invested and rider-oriented is really nice, and I love the new kit. I love the new setup. I think the colors are awesome, and the bike looks great, and it rides great, and I'm having a lot of fun on it.
It's a big change, but with the new bike I feel extremely confident. Really happy with the handling, so I feel much more faster in this new bike, so it's giving me an extra confidence for the race.
When it gets a little bit more technical and in the dunes is where it's been a little bit more hard work, and I think the new bike is really good in that stuff. You can ride it like you would just a normal bike out in the desert, and it's really fun too. You can kind of throw down a moto in the dunes, and you can throw around the bike a little bit more, have some fun, keep high in the RPMs and rip around, and it just makes riding that much more fun. Yeah, it's just easy to ride, and I think it's it's pretty cool to see the innovation coming from Rally. And so heading into Dakar, I feel really comfortable, and the team, my mechanic Louis and my teammate Luciano is, we work super well together, and it's a really good atmosphere, and I'm having just a lot of fun.
We are a good team, and we can do good in Dakar for sure. We will enjoy it together.
That's how Dakar goes, that's how each rally goes. You have to just take it one day at a time. You gotta have a team behind you, and you gotta just have fun with it and enjoy the process. And whatever happens, at the end of the day, if you put in your best, that's, what's important is that you have fun doing it. I mean, Dakar was always just kind of a goal for me in the beginning. Now to be going as a factory racer is man, it's insane.
I remember 10 years ago more or less, watching Dakar in Fiambala, following Mark Coma in one stage, in one dune stage. So for me it was almost impossible to imagine that now I will be in this position fighting for a win in Dakar, and it feels amazing, and I'm super happy with the position I am right now, and I know I can do a good job and make this dream happen.
Dakar in Saudi Arabia, I actually like it a lot. I really enjoy it, and I love racing there. That's part of rally, is the adventure and seeing new places for the first time and going where typically nobody goes. And especially in Saudi Arabia, we're just going to be in this vast ocean of dunes.
For me, to ride in a stage with more sand and dunes is much better, and also when it's really slow, technical, and with more navigation, I like a lot this kind of stage, and I think it gives to the event an extra taste. So for me, it's really good, and I'm looking forward for it.
Yeah, as far as my mindset goes, I think I'm not really going to change anything as far as my approach to it. You know, I have the tools behind me to go as fast as possible and to do as best as possible.
To win the Dakar 2022 means a lot for me. It's a dream for sure. Is a dream that I always think about it. Every time I wake up, I think of it. So it will be really nice, and yeah, of course, the best feeling in the world. I'm Luciano Benavides, and I ride for Husqvarna Factory Racing.
What's important is that you have fun doing it, and I think that's what kind of helps my whole mentality in rally in general, is that, you know, yeah, sometimes you can't control everything, and that's also what happens in life and in racing or whatever. I think the most important thing is to just put everything you got into it and then just enjoy it. Just enjoy the opportunities you get and see as far as you can go. But if you got a dream, go for it. I'm Skyler, and I ride for Husqvarna Factory Racing.